Have you ever wondered why there are some ladies out there that just seem to be perfectly styled and always have it all put together? I'm Kim from the Beauty Biz, and in today's video, I'm going to share 3 easy tips on how you can step up your style. Tip number 1, always dress your signature colors. And by signature colors, I mean that you have to go through your closet, and here I've got some color analysis cloths that we used to do the color analysis in the salon and when I was senior VIP with Beauty Control. But I want you to go through your closet and hold up some colors in front of the mirror like I'm doing here, and you will see which ones wash you out and which ones make your skin glow. So that's going to tell you whether you are a cool undertone. That means you have like the bluish undertones, red-haired, fair-skinned ladies, those with freckles. And if you are a cool undertone, which means you have blue undertones, you're going to be able to wear the pinks and the jewel tone colors that are going to make your skin absolutely glow and not wash you out. Tip number 2 is always dress in clothing that accentuates your body style. You can have the best outfit in the world, the most designer looks, but if the shape doesn't flatter your figure, it's all for nothing, and you're going to end up looking worse and not better. So I suggest taking a body type quiz, and we do have one available here. If you guys, I will put the link below the video in the comments or the description below. And you guys, it's a quick 5-minute quiz that you take when you get out of the shower that's going to help you determine your body type. Tip number 3, always make your outfit stand out with some kind of pop accessory. And what I mean by pop accessories is every outfit should have either a statement necklace, some earrings that pop, or a really nice heel that has lots of details in a pop color. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, kimsbeautybiz.com for all things beauty, fashion, and skincare.